Hello students, today I am discussing biological classification, class 11, chapter 2, NCERT exercise, questions and answers, very short type answer questions, part 2. Welcome back once again in your biology class. This is Nausin and you are watching your most favorite channel, Educational Support. So my dear students, are you ready? So let's get started. Question number 1 is, what is the principle underlying the use of cyanobacteria in agricultural fields for crop improvement? Cyanobacteria are used in agricultural crop improvement because of their acidity to fix atmospheric nitrogen and make it available to the plants, which reduces the cost of application of nitrogen fertilizers. Question number 2 is, suppose you accidentally find an old preserved permanent slide without a label. In your effort to identify it, you place the slide under microscope and observe the following features. Unicellular, well-defined nucleus, biflagellate, one flagellum lying longitudinally and other transversely. What would you identify it as, and can you name the kingdom it belongs to? All unicellular eukaryotic organisms form a link between plants and animals, but well-defined nucleus organisms are eukaryotes, and unicellular organisms with eukaryotic cellular structure come under protist. So dinoflagellates are the ones that have longitudinal and transverse flagella, and thus the organism is dinoflagellate and the kingdom is Protista. Question number 3 is, how is the 5 kingdom classification advantageous over the 2 kingdom classification? So fungi were placed in a separate kingdom. It has put together organisms which were placed in different kingdoms in earlier classification. Kingdom Protista brought together Chlamydomonas, Chlorella and with Amebia and Paramecium. Animal and plant kingdoms become more homogeneous than they are in the 2 kingdom classification. So it is the advantages over the 2 kingdom classification. Question number 4 is, polluted water bodies have usually very high abundance of plants like nostocs and oscillatoria. Give reasons. Polluted water bodies, which possesses high algal growth due to the presence of nutrients, which increases rapid growth of water plants and result in colonies. So which are generally surrounded by a gelatinous sheath and further leads to the formation of blooms in water bodies. Question number 5 is, are chemosynthetic bacteria autotrophic or heterotrophic? Chemosynthetic bacteria, that it oxidizes various inorganic substances such as nitrates, nitrites, ammonia, and use the released energy for their ATP production. So chemosynthetic bacteria are autotrophic in nature. Question number 6 is, the common name of pea is simpler than its botanical or scientific name, and why then is the simpler common name not used instead of the complex or scientific botanical name in biology? The common name of pea is an English word, and this can have different names in different languages. It is easier to remember a standard scientific name as compared to so many names. Hence, instead of using simple common names, it is preferred to use scientific names that may appear complicated but universally activated. Question number 7 is, a virus is considered as a living organism and an obligate parasite when inside a host cell. But virus is not classified along with bacteria or fungi. What are the characters of virus that are similar to non-living objects? Viruses are considered a connecting link, between living and non-living organisms. Outside any host, viruses are referred to as non-living due to their characteristics, like they exist as parasites when outside the host cell. They can be crystallized. They don't possess cytoplasm, nucleus, or other cell organelles. Question number 8 is, in the 5 kingdom system of Whittaker, how many kingdoms are eukaryotes? The 5 kingdom classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969, and the 5 kingdom classification, 4 kingdom belongs to eukaryotes, that is Protista, fungi, plantae and animalia, except for the kingdom Monera, which belongs to prokaryotes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and you have turned on notifications on your phone. So thank you. Tata. Bye bye. See you in the next video.